Hi guys, welcome back with my news video. In this sharing, I gonna show you how to create the certificate in Microsoft Word. And I will use the tool Mail Merge in Microsoft Word to create this certificate. Okay, now let's start practice all together. First, before you create a certificate in Microsoft Word, I need to share to you. You need to have two. So first, the MX certificate, and next, you need to have the list name of the student. For example, I open this list name. And in this list name, I create in Microsoft Excel. There are 5 students that I want to print the certificate to them. So I just create the list name like this. Okay, now I go back to Microsoft Word to create the certificate. I close this file. This is the first time that you need to create the certificate in Microsoft Word. You need to click on to Layout and click on Orientation to change the portrait to the landscape paper. Next, you need to prepare the margins. Click on this button and type 0 at the top, left, bottom, and right. And next, click OK and click Ignore. After, you need to insert the pictures certificate in the document. Click on Insert. Click on Pictures. Click on this device. Find your file in your computer. And I will store this certificate in my website. You can download and create the certificate also. And after, I click on Insert button. Now the pictures of the certificate will show on your document. Next, I need to show the student name on my certificate. So first I click on Insert, click on Shape, and click on Text box. And after, I click on the text box here, and I need the cursor at the center. Click on Align Text, and click on Middle. And after, click on Home, and click on Center. The font size, I need 35. And press Enter. And I need bold. And after, I need to insert the list of name of the student from file Excel to show on the certificate in text box. So I click on text box. Next, click on Mail Merge. And after, click on Start Mail Merge. And click on Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. Next, click on Starting Document. And after, click on this button and click on Browse. Find your file Excel or the list name that you create and keeping on your computer. Click on File that you want to insert. Next, click Open. And after, click OK. So here, there is the list of names that I want to show in the certificate. So there are 5. Anjatra, Pat Pauline, Pat Pia, Soy Samnang, and the last one, Kong David. Next, click OK. Now, I insert the list name already. So, the next step, I need to click on Write Your Letter. I need to click on this button. Write Your Letter. And click again. And after, you need to show the name in the text box. Click on Insert Merge Field. Click on Student Name. You will see that Anjitra name will show on my certificate. And if you want to next name of the student, you just click on this button. There is a second student name. Okay, so there are 5. So the name I insert already. You can print. Next, if you want to remove the color border, you just click on this text box, click on Save Format, and click on Save Outline, and click on this button, Now Outlined. Okay. So the border color remove after you click it. And the last one, if you want to send the certificates to the student like a file, you just click on Mail Merge and click on Finish Merge and click on this button, Edit Individual Document, and click OK. After you click it, it will show you one more document, and all names, there are 5 students, will show the certificate one by one. Check on it. First, Anjitra. Second, Pat Pauline. Third, path pair for soi som nang. File the last one, Kung David. So you can print or you can't send this certificate file to the student. And if you want to print, just click on File and click on Print. Okay, with the create certificate for the student in Microsoft Word, I finished. And thanks for your watching. See you in next video.